Thank you. And take a look at the phone. Breakfast also, Pari, you're quite energetic.
हेलो सॉरी आज कुछ सुबह थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन हो गया. मैं भी जब आई तो मुझे थोड़े एक दो शॉक्स लगे, बट लाइक आई टोल्ड यू ब्रेकफास्ट कम है, आज नाइट शूट भी है, 24 घंटे की शिफ्ट करने वाले हैं हम लोग आज, तो प्लीज बेयर विद अस, बट वील हैव लॉट ऑफ फन, डोंट वरी.
All right, so thank you so much. First of all, I must say both of you look very dapper, very chic, and it's great to have you both here with us. All right, so let's begin today, and let's talk about what made you go in this.
Yeah. So friends, we'll have good opportunity to take pictures. She's here with us for some time, so if you would kindly just bear with us and wait for a bit while, and we'll just go through and share what we have to talk about, our new phone, and of course, why Pari is here as well, and she'll also share some of her. And so if you're okay with that, and then we'll kind of move on.
All right, thank you so much. All right, so yes, we've been really keen on talking about this really interesting, different new phone and the sleek metal body. So that is what first I'm really curious to know about. What made you go in this direction?
You know, I mean, if you look around today, the phones have kind of become an extension of our own personality. You know, this is what you share, this is what your reflection of your attitude, and as you can see here, we have the most charming, gorgeous, and beautiful Pariniti here with us today. And this is, of course, the Moto M, which is kind of made of complete metal, which is sturdy. Just want to share some of the things about this phone. Of course, it's very, very sleek, but the biggest thing that stands out and makes it a little more beautiful is that it's made out of, you know, single metal. You know, if you look at the sheen, the shine that is there on the phone, it's absolutely sleek. And of course, the metal makes it very, very sturdy.
Yeah. I think the most important thing about this phone is, I think its looks. At least for a person like me, a young girl who likes to buy like good-looking clothes or good-looking things, this phone is really cool. I was quite pleasantly surprised when I saw it this morning. I'm a fan of you know, metal backs, and it does have some. I hate phones which are, you know, they get scratched easily and they start looking old very quickly. But I think this one will ensure that it looks new for a long time.
You know, the way we have kind of made the curve here, it's kind of very, very easy to hold as well.
Is metallic today, actually. You know, I think metal is really in. Metallic colors in fashion are really in. Gold is like one of my favorites, even to wear, or even to like my phones and everything are. I like a little bit of bling in my life. So this gold is lovely. I think it's really, really, really good looking. And there are some really cool features, guys. When I was briefed about this phone today, I was really impressed. And he's going to be talking about these. I think most of you are going to buy this phone after today. I really think so.
So I just want to talk one more thing, about this phone, which is the kind of a display. You know, if you look at the young kids today, they're kind of watching a lot of content. They watch your movies on the phone as well. I watch a lot of YouTube as well. I mean, yeah, you have a great fan followers out there.
Yeah, it's all good, but you should not watch it on a small screen. We should all watch it.
Oh, that absolutely, yeah, we do. But that's what we have done on the screen while it's on this phone, while it's very, very sleek. The full HD definition screen, the FHD display that has, it gives you very, very nice, vibrant colors on the phone. Which makes the phone a little more curved and easy to hold as well. So these are some of the things, and I think that's what this phone stands for. Great style, great design. I would say really wins, which is something what you want as well.
Susu hand. Okay, so good looks, the display, and I couldn't help but notice that there's a golden ring behind. So what is that all about?
Well, it's not a wedding ring, though it's in the season nowadays. But this ring is a fingerprint sensor. What we have done is kind of placed it nicely at the back. So when you're on the move, you can just by touch of one finger, you can actually unlock your phone. And it's also very personalized to you as well. I just want to check with you, Pariniti. You go out doing lots of movies and everything. How important is the security for you on the phone? I'm sure you have lots of your own personal data in this.
Honestly, sir, it's the most important thing for me because even right now I'm at this on stage and my phone is not with me. Most of the time my phone is either with my assistant or with my manager or somebody in the team. And it's very important that, my personal life remains personal. So I don't want somebody who has the lock code. So I think a fingerprint is something that, they can't get past. So it's very important. I always have fingerprint locks on my phone. And this is really, I struggle with this one thing, the phone is like this and then I have to be like, ah. But over here it's at the back. So the moment, I can just immediately lock it and I can put whichever finger I want. So whatever finger is the one you use the most, like in this case, at least it would be index finger for me, you can just set it in and you can open the phone really quickly. So it's really cool.
Guess what? What we have done is, while you're right, most of the phones you use only one finger. But there are a lot of times when you're out shopping, you have bags or you're eating, one hand is dirty. What you could do is actually program 5 fingers in this. So you're absolutely sure, even if one hand operation, you can use any of all your 5 fingers, let's just say, to do that.
That's interesting. I like it. I mean, I would really enjoy using that for myself.
She's trying to get a phone. I'm telling you guys, I'm also trying. एक free phone आज मिल ही जाए मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है. क्या कहते sir?
With these wonderful
एक
features.
दो दे दो.
Why
2
not?
phones sir.
All right, so yes, we spoke about the display, we spoke about the ring, and yes, the data is well protected with such features. How about the most important thing that we like nowadays is music?
Oh yeah.
Do you like music, Parinita?
So you know it. My next film also I'm singing. I'm a music person. Huh? क्या हुआ? कुछ तो background में चल रहा है.
Yeah.
Okay, yes, we're quite excited to hear the new song which is coming up. So Pari, are you in the mood to sing a little for us?
No. I'm not singing and all. First we have to talk about the phone. It's all about the phone today.
Yeah.
About me later.
All right, Sudhin, so you're quite a music buff yourself as well, right?
Yeah, so I mean, I love music as well, and of course I'm a big fan of Bollywood at the same time. But what we have done on this phone to kind of enhance the experience, we've added, all of you must be aware of Dolby Atmos. All of you are from Bombay, Bollywood. You go to all theaters and see what Dolby Atmos experience is all about. I think rather than me talking about it, I just want to play an AV clip here, which will tell you what this phone can do and the great sound experience that you can get on the phone. Can we have the...
Goosebumps.
I thought Dolby only used to be in cinemas, huh? Honestly, this is the first time that I've heard of Dolby in like a phone. Is it the first phone that has it?
Well, it's first from Moto and Lenovo. I would say most of our phones have started to come with Dolby, and I think the reason being we have realized that music is such a soothing thing for people. This kind of relaxes you, and everybody has lots of music, and it's not just about. Actually, now they're saying let's watch music. It's not listen to music, right?
Oh, cool, yeah.
You go to Netflix, you go to YouTube, and listen to a lot of, and rather see the music as well. So I think that's what we did on these phones and try and incorporated Dolby Atmos.
For me, music is what wakes me up in the morning. I literally like wake up from my bed and I like turn on my laptop and I have like sound speakers and also the sound starts playing. So it literally wakes me up. It puts me to sleep, makes me run in the gym. So everything is now with music actually.
All right, so if everything is about music, so today let's make this session interesting. And I have a little game for both of you, which is about music. So are you ready for that?
What is this game? Say.
Okay, it's going to be pretty simple. We have some tracks, some musical tracks ready for you, and all you have to do is hear it and guess it and sing it if you can.
Sing it? No,
if
no,
you
let's
can.
guess first. Okay, on.
All right,
Put-
so let's go for it, and whoever can guess it first, just go for it.
Raise your hand. Huh?
Raise your
No,
hand
just
and just
say
go
it.
for it.
Oh, just say it, okay.
All right,
Ready.
so let's.
I feel like I'm on Coffee with Karan again, I feel.
Yeah.
Okay, ready.
All right, so the first track for both of you. Let's see who gets this one. Let's play the first track.
Godfather.
Is it Godfather?
Yeah, have you seen that movie?
No, yeah, shit. Hey, play some songs of like 2000s and now, like this year.
All right, let's go for the next one. And
Godfather.
okay, this one is.
I know this. I know this. Tom Cruise.
Yeah.
It's an
Mission
easy one.
Impossible.
Yeah. I said Mission
She
Impossible.
said it.
Yeah, I won this one. This is very tough, guys. What is this?
I
Chalo,
think
next.
you guys are doing pretty well, and it's getting easier now. So let's see which is the next one.
K3G. K3G.
No, it's not K3G. Come
Of
on.
course it is. All
All right, good one. We wanted you to sing it, Pari. All right,
You're
well
the
done.
worst person. Chalo. So I'm
Okay.
winning, huh? Let me tell you. 2-1.
All right, let's see who catches the next one. And here we go.
This you can't miss it.
This is me, guys. Me. Parishan.
All right, it's getting interesting.
Last one. One
And,
more.
I think you should give her a tough competition now.
3-1, hai, huh?
I've already lost.
I'll give you a chance, sir. One chance. What? Replay? No,
That's a
wait.
difficult one.
Replay.
So you have to try this one.
Huh? Kill Bill hai ye? Nahi. Kill Bill hai? Is it Kill Bill?
Yes,
Kill
that
Bill.
is
Oh,
Kill
you
Bill.
get a free phone today.
Okay, so Pari, that was well
I
done.
have won. I win $50 million.
$15 million and yes, a priceless phone.
Of course.
Okay, so
Okay, this is good.
we got to hear a little of your music also. I hope we get to hear some more soon. All right, so talking about
Baat hai,
music, talking about display, and now I think we girls, we love to click pictures. So, sir, we would really like to know about the camera.
Right, so yeah, that was music, security, Dolby Atmos, metal body. I think some of the other things that people use, and absolutely right, is to take a lot of pictures on the phone. So we have added some great shooters on the phone. It's a 16 megapixel rear camera and an 8 megapixel selfie camera. Yeah, so that's right. So we have a professional photographer amongst us. She really knows how. I don't need to tell her how to take picture, but for our consumers out there, this has which we call as the PDAF, which is the phase detection autofocus. You know what? You could actually just focus and shoot to the people, and it just takes the picture automatically.
I made a lovely video.
Fantastic. It does that as well. Of course, it has a great selfie camera as well. And I hear you are an avid.
No, it's a really good camera. See?
Yeah.
Okay, Pari, so you have to tell us what is a perfect selfie for you. How do you take a perfect selfie?
In which you're not looking fat.
Pari, the way you have lost weight, you can never look fat.
No. Girls will always know there's always like that much more that you can achieve. But no, honestly, I'm terrible at taking selfies, okay? It takes me like at least 25, 30, I'm not exaggerating, attempts to get that one. Because in one I'll look like this, one like fully distorted scenes, really bad I look. So I think it really helps if the phone is a good phone and it has a good selfie camera itself. Like I did this And it didn't take me much, huh? Sir, come. It's quite easy actually, it's not bad.
All right, so so many selfies, but if you click 25 pictures at one time, so
I usually give up, huh? Like sometimes I feel like आज मैं बहुत अच्छी लग रही हूँ, आज मैं अपनी photo लूँगी. And I start and I get tired by the end of it and I have to let it go कि चलो छोड़ो आज नहीं होगा, कल लेंगे. So yeah, I'm really bad at selfies.
sir, I would also want to know when we click so many pictures, 25 pictures at a time, and then we keep clicking pictures. So what do we do with all those pictures?
Well, for that, you don't need to worry about it. We have added a lot of memory inside the phone. The phone comes itself with a 64 gigabytes of internal storage and also 256 gigabytes of, you can add your card. So you can just keep clicking, sharing, put it on your Facebook, your Twitter account, or your Instagram for that matter. So you'll never run out of storage, at least on the Moto M.
That's very important, I think, having storage, and you can keep clicking pictures, use social media. But what about the battery? We really hate to keep waiting for the phone to
talk
charge.
about a battery problem, guys, please. Every phone, literally every phone has this battery issue. We're constantly roaming around with portable chargers, trying to charge our phones. So please give us good news about this phone.
Yeah, so how many long hours do you work on an average in a day?
On a really crazy day, it's like 22 to 23 hours
Right.
a day.
There are 86,400 seconds in a day, and you have to make every second count, right? And that's what we want from our phone as well, because we are so busy, we are always on the move, traveling, especially, people like you who have to travel from one place to the other, and of course connected to, your fans who are out there.
Yeah.
And the worst thing is you run out of battery. So what we have done is added a very good battery into this device, the Moto M, which is 3,500 milliampere hours, so you don't need to worry about one of those. And guess what? We also have added a rapid charger into it, so in case at any point in time you run out of your battery, you can, always put it on, and the rapid
it really
charges
quickly.
charger.
That's
yeah.
cool. Well, that's fabulous. So you don't need to keep waiting to charge your phone. And yes, you keep working for so many hours. You don't need to run behind the charging. Okay, so this is fun and so many features. And yes, let's have one more game.
One more game.
Are you ready?
Guys, you have to play now. What is the game?
Okay, so we spoke about all these features and qualities. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and give you a feature. And what you have to do is tell me which celebrity or which Bollywood personality comes to your mind when I give you a feature.
Definitely coffee with Karan pe hum log, I'm telling you guys. Okay.
Isn't it fun? Are you enjoying
I'll
it?
get into trouble if I take some wrong names. I better give the right answer.
Okay, but you have to be quick, okay? So when I give you a feature, you don't have to think much. Just go for it. Okay, so we begin with you and then we, second we come to you. All right, so Pari, the first feature is, the first quality this phone has is it's marvelously sleek. Who comes to your mind?
Deepika.
Deepika Padukone,
Yeah.
marvelously sleek.
I think she's quite sleek and beautiful.
Okay, good one. So the next one is matchless security.
Security. I think Salman. I think like I would feel quite safe and secure with him.
With the dole
Because he's like a, the shirt, nahi, I mean, I think I would feel really safe and like he's a man and I think, yeah.
Yes, he is a
Yeah.
gentleman. All right, going ahead with someone who's unstoppable, the mega battery.
Battery is only Ranveer, yeah, he's mad. Yeah.
Ranveer, the energy, the battery. Wow.
Even VD actually. And in the girls, it will probably be me.
Why not? Yes, you're always bubbling
I
with
think
energy.
so, yeah.
So that was mega battery, and the last one for you is majestic sound.
Mr. Bachchan, I think, na? He has the most powerful voice when he talks. So I think majestic sound, yeah, for sure.
That was very
Safe who?
impressive.
Safe? कुछ गलत नहीं बोला ना?
Well, I think they were very great answers. Yeah.
Yeah,
Huh?
they were very great.
They're correct.
answers.
Yeah,
I feel.
absolutely.
Okay, amazing.
Okay,
बच
so
गए.
बच गए नहीं, बहुत ही अच्छा किया. Those were really good answers, weren't they? Okay, so it's your chance now, and
Okay.
the first one for you is magnificent looks. Who comes to your mind when we say magnificent looks?
I mean, this is very simple. I don't even need to go far. That person is sitting next to me.
So sweet.
Yes, why not? You're looking gorgeous today, and yes, the metallic suits you really well.
I'm looking like the phone, guys.
The phone is so you with all these qualities.
It's true, it's true. I think the phone is better looking though.
Okay, so matchless security for you. Who is that?
Yeah, maybe the Potters.
Uh-huh. Okay. Quick, let's go ahead. The mega battery. Who's that for you?
You know, she said Salman, right? Maybe I'll go a little far away and go to probably Hollywood. Yeah, maybe Sylvester Stallone. I mean, he's the
So
man
you're
who
very
keeps just going
international.
on and on.
No,
and
no,
on
you
and-
can only take
Yeah.
Bollywood names.
I
That's
can
the
only
rule.
do- Yeah,
Others, how will it be exciting, na?
yeah.
Okay,
So say
we-
no, no, no. You have to give another battery name.
Oh, battery name, the guy, Bollywood.
Yeah.
Oh my God, I'm not very good with that.
See,
You had
I
asked
knew
me
it.
which phone I would
So
have
take
said,
my name
which
only.
would have said, I would have said Moto M.
So take my name only. I feel.
On battery, yeah, in kind of energy, you said 24
Yeah,
hours
yeah,
working.
that's me.
perfectly. I think all answers
I
are
think, yeah.
starting and ending
The
with
good
current
looks,
TV.
the
We don't need to-
battery, the everything.
right.
That's the reason you're here. You're so like the Moto M. Okay, so the last one for you is Mirfik connectivity. Who's that for you?
So she just answered that. All answers lead to her. I mean, the kind of fan that she has, the always connected. So yeah, my life was much simpler than hers.
Wow.
सब सवालों के जवाब हूँ मैं.
Absolutely.
Okay, so that was fun, and I think this is a tie. Both of you did exceptionally well. Both of you are the winners, but I must say, Moto M is the real winner, isn't it?
I just want to say one thing which I've been dying to say since the time I've come here. Hello, Moto. It used to be
Alright.
one of my
Wow.
favorite
Yeah.
ads. So I've been dying to say it for a really long time.
And Hello Moto is back actually.
Yeah, na? So you should dub in my voice only, I feel.
Oh, absolutely.
I'll come for
Yeah.
dubbing.
All right.
All right, so we have one question, which is when can the Moto fans get their hands on the new phone, and what are the prices?
Right. So to talk about our partnership and where the consumers are going to get this phone, the phone is going to get launched exclusively with our online partners, Flipkart. It will be launched at midnight tomorrow, a minute before midnight tomorrow. It's an open sale, so no flash sale. Just go and click the buy button. It is coming with some very amazing prices for the features and functionalities that we talked about. There are two variants. It starts with the base variant will have a price of 15,999. More than that, of course, for our consumers, we have always done that in the past to give some great inaugural offers that come along with it. So people who are buying tomorrow midnight will get a lot of good offers, like there are some 1,000 rupee off if you purchase from your Citibank credit card, or you can get some 2,000 rupees off on the exchange offers on your old phones, which I'm sure many people would like to do that at this point in time. Of course, we are bundling a great discount offer on the hands-free because you have to enjoy the music. So we have this Moto Pulse 2, which is the hands-free which goes along with this as well. And of course, for people who want to buy on installment in this demonetization era, they can buy on the EMI options as well. So go on, click the button tomorrow, the buy button tomorrow, midnight, 1 minute before midnight, which is the 14th. So
All
that's where it'll
right,
be.
so now we know the features, we know the price, but we also have something more about the features, the qualities the phone possesses, and we have a Sizzle AV, so let's go ahead and play it. All right, so we know the features, we know the qualities and the prices. I'm sure you all are quite excited to go ahead and take a feel of the phone, take a look at what it is and use it. So, Pari, how do you like the phone?
I actually really, really love it. I was just looking at it and the camera is like really good, but also the interface is really easy. It's very responsive to the touch. Anything that I'm doing is really, it's really easy. I've wanted to have a backup phone actually, and I was talking to my brother just yesterday that I want a backup phone, so I might go for this one actually.
And
So maybe time to give our friends here a photo opportunity. Those who are sitting.
Photo.
Right.
What? This question is the most exciting.
Okay, so
Why don't you go ahead?
I
Yeah.
don't
Be a sport.
We'll do the photos.
Be a sport.
What is this? No, I just want to say hello.
Okay, so Pari is now going to dedicate a song to Moto M, and let's hear a song, please.
No. What should I sing? A love song to this phone?
A love
Be
song,
like,
if you wish to.
no. Okay, tell me a song that I can dedicate, and then we'll take pictures. Come.
Okay, so we're going to hear a song, and then we take pictures. So